Hello, my friend. This is Jenny Chen from Wonderful Inc. We're the distributor of DJI Agriculture drones in Canada. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. We all know that there are lots of challenges for nowadays farmers. One of the challenges is how to get accurate crop information. To help you get valuable data so that you can manage your farm pests and disease on time while reducing all kinds of agricultural costs. In today's video is to share with you the most advanced DJI Multispectral tools for farms. Hope this will help you to make quick and accurate decisions on your farmland at different crop stages, simplify your work, increase the yield, and make more profit. This is the DJI Headquarter building in Shenzhen, China. The triangular building next to it is a showroom. DJI is currently the largest drone manufacturer in the world. It is also the only company that provides a full range of agricultural drones with its own professional agriculture software. DJI was established in 2006. DJI began to develop agricultural drones in 2009. In 2016, DJI produced Phantom 4. This is a very popular camera drone. In June 2018, DJI officially released the Phantom 4 RTK mapping and surveying drone. Last year in September, the Phantom 4 multispectral drone came out. It immediately won cheers and a sensation in the industry. People who are familiar with crop multispectral know that this is an epic making progress. What is multispectral? Sunlight is a continuous spectrum of different wavelengths, and its wavelength distribution ranges from short to long. Due to the different substance and structures, they have different light absorption characteristics. The different band combinations generate different vegetation index. We usually call it the fingerprint of a plant. Multispectral images are very effective tools for evaluating soil productivity and analyzing plant health in farmland information monitoring. This not only reduces the reuse of fertilizer and water, but also increases the yield of crops, which is beneficial to farmers and the environment. There are currently 3 commonly used agricultural multispectral tools: satellites, airplanes, and drones. Satellite multispectrum is a common method of farmland management. It is widely used in a large area crop condition monitoring, yield estimating, flood, freezing damage, and other agricultural disaster monitoring. Its revisit cycle is currently as fast as 3 to 4 days. The current high resolution is about 1 meter to 5 meters. The general satellite is about 20 to 30 meters. For the manned aircraft multispectral, usually it is carried out on a manned fixed-wing aircraft to scan a specific area to collect the data. Flying too low will not only cause the pilot to have the risk of the aircraft falling, but also the aircraft's exhaust will pollute the crops. At the same time, it is impossible to hover and take pictures of important areas. We do have friends go to the market to buy a multispectral camera and hang it on the drone for aerial crop detection. Sometimes there are many problems with the connections and applications of the camera software configured by yourself, and it usually takes several hours or days to process the data. Now let's talk Phantom 4 multispectral. It is our high-precision integrated unit. Its time and space synchronization system, centimeter-level positioning system, and integrated spectral sunlight sensor ensure the accuracy of the data in the investigating area, which is a feature that ordinary multispectral cameras do not have. For example, without this system, it is like the GPS of our vehicle. When you want to navigate to an address to visit your friends, you can't always stop at the exact location. This is because the vehicle is not equipped with this system. This product has many bright spots. For example, each of its lenses has 2 million pixels, which ensures the clarity of multispectral pictures. The current good multispectral cameras on the market have 1.2 million pixels, so DJI's this product has nearly twice the clarity. I just mentioned the synchronization system of time and space. Simply say it is to achieve accurate measurement accuracy and synchronization of photo space and time during the flight. This is very important to ensure that you get accurate farmland data. Without this system, measurement data will be inaccurate and the accuracy is not high. An integrated spectral sunlight sensor on top of the drone captures solar irradiance, which maximizes the accuracy and consistency of the data collection through different times of the day. When combined with post-processed data, this information helps to obtain the most accurate NDVI results. There's a video link explaining OcuSync. I will list it in the comment area. You might ask, I don't have enough network signals on the farmland. Don't worry, we have DJI DRTK2 mobile station. This can help you to have a good network signal in the field. RTK can provide real-time three-dimensional positioning results of the station in the specified coordinate system and achieve centimeter-level accuracy. DJI Phantom 4 Multispectral has another two important functions: integrated multispectral image system and real-time live view of RGB and NDVI images. You can see real-time pictures of NDVI and RGB from your iPad during the flight in the farm field. DJI Phantom 4 Multispectral combines the captured images into a more accurate multispectral index map, which is usually what we call a prescription map, which is used for in-depth analysis of crop and soil conditions and provides accurate reference information for precision agriculture. Now let me introduce to you two DJI software used in this drone. The first is GS Pro. GS Pro is an easy-to-use software. The screen has a good menu and it only takes a few minutes to plan a route. Phantom 4 RTK and Phantom 4 Multispectral provide us with the highest level of pixels with low complexity, and the data analysis and processing function of Phantom 4 Multispectral is very powerful. Many scientific research institutions and many data processing software can perform professional and classified processing on them to obtain the required data. Now we have to mention the GSD. GSD means ground sampling distance. GSD is the actual size of the pixels in the image. The smaller the number, the clearer and more detailed the map. DJI Phantom 4 Multispectral single flight at an altitude of 180 meters can mapping around 156 acres. For a GSD is approximately 9.52 cm per pixel. At a flying altitude of 100 meters, its GSD can reach to 5.3 centimeters. Terra is DJI data processing software. Uploading images is very easy and can be processed in a few seconds. So as to provide beautiful RGB and NDVI maps, it is very fast and very easy to use. You can use Terra to set up, plan, and fly. It is a beautifully integrated system that can directly generate NDVI maps. Especially when you first to use it, it's amazing to be able to create such a beautiful map so quickly. As in RTK and through our single gimbal camera, all maps, RGB, NDVI, NDRE overlap completely. Very neat work. Through multispectral images, NDVI, NDRE, and other vegetation index maps are generated to help judge plant growth conditions and abnormal problems. Support for further output of variable spraying prescription maps, which can be used with DJI Agriculture spraying drone to reduce operation costs, increase yields, and achieve precision agriculture. DJI GS Pro and Terra are already good to use to get you from prescription map, but if you need a more detailed introduction and analysis of multispectral maps, you can try to purchase Pix4D Fields software. Pix4D Fields is easy to input Phantom 4 multispectral data, and NDVI, NDRE maps can be easily obtained within a few minutes. Pix4D Fields is an excellent tool because these prescription maps can be sent directly to its data center, My John Deere, and then sent back to the machine. Or you can use Terra software to input the data to DJI spraying drone to do the aerial spray. The field investigation was successful, showing that Phantom 4 multispectral is fully capable of providing good field crop health information. Combining these two products can help you quickly obtain high-resolution pictures of any location, any farmland map, and high-precision farmland prescription maps. Through this technology, you can comprehensively, real-time, and accurately understand the growing environment of crops, carry out accurate field fertilization and irrigation, and easily detect pests or bacterial invasion, so as to discover problems in time and quickly respond to problem areas. Therefore, after using Phantom 4 RTK to plan and measure the problem area, spray equipment will be used to diagnose and deal with the problem area effectively and promptly. These aerial digital tools are powerful tools for agriculture business and can help you manage your agricultural business quickly, efficiently, and scientifically. DJI Phantom 4 RTK and Phantom 4 Multispectral are same sizes and ready-to-use package. This is very neat. You're welcome to give us a call. You're also welcome to email us or contact our Facebook page. We're very happy to provide you with any help on the products.